Hello and welcome to another Spikemark Tech Tip. My name is Mike Wade. I'm the Director of Technical Services here at Creative Connors, and today we're going to be talking about our Spikemark log viewer. That's right, that's how we can take a look at the log files from Spikemark in any web browser. So how do we get to our log viewer app, our new and improved current log viewer app? You can get to it from our website. You can get to it from our main page, from creativeconnors.com/download. You can also go, and then from there you can click on the Log Viewer app link here. You can also go directly to creativeconnors.com/log-viewer-app. And you could also, if you wanted to be really bold, go directly to creativeconnors.com/logviewer.html. Back on the Log Viewer app page, we can see we have a little screenshot of what it looks like in your web browser, some details about how to use the app, and then where to get to from the Log Viewer app JavaScript. And you might notice that that now says JavaScript. If anybody, longtime users, may remember that our previous version of the Log Viewer app was based on Microsoft Silverlight, and so that caused some excitement occasionally when you weren't able to install Silverlight through a specific web browser. If change is hard, we all know change is hard, so if you don't want to change to the JavaScript version, you can always find the original Silverlight version here. If you run into any problems along the way, feel free to reach out to support@creativeconnors.com, or you can always try calling at 401-289-2942 extension 2. Okay, so let's open the log viewer and see what happens. So you can click on this link right here, Log Viewer app JavaScript, and it pops open in a new tab and an empty sheet. Let's pick a file for us. We click the Browse button. My window pops up into my buried Spikemark directory in Windows because I open the Log Viewer app pretty regularly. But if you take a look at the status bar here, we are in C:\users Mike app data roaming Creative Connors Inc. Spikemark 4.1.1.0. That's a pretty buried directory, but that's the one where we're going to look at today. You can find your specific directory by going from within Spikemark from the Help menu, Reveal Log File, and it will show you the directory of the current log file. I'm going to highlight this log entry here that was at 1:53 p.m. on August 7th, and click Open, and here it is. It populates the log entries. Up here in the top, you'll see that we have show 25 entries, but you can select as many as you'd like. We have a search box here, so you can search for specific instances, and then we have all of the log data in here. Now we're only looking at 25 entries per page, and so we have 15 pages of entries here because we have a total of 361 entries. This is a pretty small show file if we take a look here. It started at 1:35 p.m. So I'm just going to change this to 1,000 entries so they're all on the same page. I want to take a look here. Now let's see what we can do. If we wanted to search for something, let's say showstopper. You can start typing showstopper, and it's going to dig into any of the entries that say showstopper. So in here we have 5 entries, and it tells us 5 at the bottom, filtered from 361 total entries, and it shows us where it happens. So there's one at 1:35 p.m., 1:50, and then 4 from 1:53 p.m. And this is disconnecting from the Showstopper 3 at its IP address. You were able to take a look at anything in there, and you could look for a specific machine. So I just typed in Spotline, and now I have 26 entries in here showing me anything that says Spotline. So there we go. This is just a quick and easy way for you from any web browser with an internet connection to be able to see the whole log file if you wanted to take it from there, as opposed to looking at it from within Spikemark or in any other methodology. And that about covers it for our introduction to the Spikemark Log Viewer app today. Feel free to drop us an email at support@creativeconnors.com if you have any questions or concerns, or if you're looking at your log file and you don't know exactly what you're reading. We're here to help. Thanks a lot and have a good day.